Okay, we're here at Lamar Place for a tour of C104, but check out where it's located. Right in front of the swimming pool in the Crockett building. I absolutely love how close and convenient this first floor access is. So you can see it through the front windows. It's right around the corner from the dog park and the laundry center. In the Crockett building, this is our Crockett 2-bed floor plan. It also has 2 baths. It's got some very high ceilings in this gigantic living room with that wood flooring that looks wonderful. Moving into the dining room, you can see that this has also been platinum upgraded with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, the new backsplash, the dishwasher, a deep sink here, brushed nickel hardware. Let's see, LED lighting to save you some money on your electricity bill. And just look at the view through the front, I love it. Moving into the hallway, I guess I'll open this closet here and show you some hallway storage. Off the left is the first large bedroom with some sliding glass doors out to a patio with some shade trees. It's pretty deep back there. We have a closet at the back of this room. And of course, a platinum upgraded bathroom. That is the first of 2, because on this side is the second one. Granite countertops, brushed nickel fixturing. It's just absolutely beautiful and super clean. And then on the wall is a smart thermostat, which you can control with your phone remotely. 3 windows in this room, and of course, another closet. So that's it, our C104 apartment in the Crockett building at Lamar Place. We would love to help you make this your home, so come see us. Thanks.